ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا وقال إنني من المسلمين.
Got a lot of people, a lot of haters that are out there trying to end the da'wah. They want us to stop. They want us to quit. They bring people from outside the city to heckle, to stop. They have people attack. They have all kinds of things. And they wonder if I'm going to stop the da'wah. Well, here's my response. Alhamdulillah, wa salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. I'm here with our dear brother Mason. And I'm going to let him talk about a little bit about how he learned about Islam.
So Islam, my name's Mason. I come down to the mosque for the first time ever today. I was a bit nervous and I was a bit worried and I didn't know what to expect. But I seen that the Shaykh was coming down, so I thought this is the time to do it. After watching a lot of his videos, reading a bit of the Quran myself, seeing all the things wrong with the Bible, things like that, I just feel like Islam just makes sense. And yeah, I made the move to come down today, and he's taking his time out to meet me, and we're going to do the Shahada.
Allahu Akbar. This is the fruits of all the people that spread the videos. For us, and even in San Diego, we can't imagine somebody, in the UK is watching the videos and learning so much from it. And really want to appreciate everybody that shares the videos, that takes them, puts them on TikTok and Instagram and all these things. May Allah reward everybody included in that process of da'wah. Many of them we don't know who they are, but Allah knows and Allah is using them. And this is something beautiful that people are recognizing the purpose of their creation, why they're here, recognizing their Lord from this venue. So alhamdulillah, Brother Mason is ready. You're good.
Yeah.
We talked about some of the basic beliefs. He's already got the beliefs. Alhamdulillah. So we're going to do the shahadas. Okay. Now, the famous question. Arabic first or English first?
We'll do the Arabic first.
Oh,
yeah.
brave.
We'll do that one.
All right. So, Ashhadu
al
la ilaha
illallah
wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
That was excellent.
Thank you.
MashaAllah. All right, now English. I bear witness. There is none worthy of worship. Except Allah. And I bear witness. That Muhammad. Is the servant. And messenger of Allah. Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
That's it.
Yes, thank you.
MashaAllah. It's official now. MashaAllah.
Yeah.
We ask Allah to make you steadfast, and MashaAllah, you have a beautiful community here, and they're going to welcome you, and they're going to teach you, and they're going to answer your questions and help you with everything. Yeah. And we hope that you become a means of guidance for your family and your community.
Oh, thank you so much.
Alhamdulillah. You see these brothers accepting Islam from all over the UK, US, Balboa Park, other places. This is how the da'wah is growing. But not just that, these brothers that accept Islam, they become students of knowledge. This is what's important, is to then give them the tools to be able to give da'wah. You see this is Brother David. He took Shahada with us in the UK, but then he became a da'i himself. Alhamdulillah, now you will see a video where he gives da'wah to a 65-year-old man who then accepts Islam with him. So our du'at are now giving da'wah. And that's very important for us to support, nurture, grow, and help our new Muslim brothers and sisters so that they can have the tools to give da'wah. Check this out.
Okay, now repeat after me. Ashhadu anna la ilaha illallahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. Well done. Now in English. I bear witness that there is none worthy of worship except Allah. And I bear witness that the Prophet Muhammad is his servant and messenger. Allahu Akbar. Welcome to Islam, mate. Welcome to Islam, brother. That's what it's about.
You would?
I do not mind at all.
Okay, you're gonna be like inspiration for other people, inshallah. So repeat after me and say Ashhadu
أشهد
an
أن
la
لا
ilaha
إله
illa
إلا
Allah
الله
wa ashhadu
وأشهد
anna
أن
Muhammadan
محمدا
Rasulullah
ر-
abduhu
عبده
wa rasuluh.
ورسوله.
Allahu Akbar.
الله أكبر.
Then in English, I bear witness
I bear witness
that there is none
that there is none
worthy of worship
worthy of worship
except Allah.
except Allah.
And I bear witness
And I bear witness
that Muhammad
Muhammad
is his prophet
is his prophet
and messenger.
and messenger.
Allahu Akbar.
So, like I explained to you, the essence of Islam is that we do not submit ourselves to anyone or anything except for the only one that is worthy of our submission. And the only one that's worthy of our submission is the one who created us. See? Nothing else. It's only the one who created us that we call upon. We don't need to go through a person. We don't need to go through my dead grandma in her grave and ask her. No, I go directly to the source. He's the one who created everything. He's not in need and he's independent. And this is what Islam is. And now you becoming a Muslim, that means that you are going to submit your will to the only one worthy of your submission. And that is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the creator of all things. So now we'll say in Arabic, and oh, by the way, and also believe in all the messengers as well. And the final messenger being Muhammad, because Muhammad, he received the Quran. So now what I'll say it in Arabic, you'll repeat it, and then you'll repeat it in English. Okay? So you're going to say, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammad abduhu wa rasuluh. Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
So now you'll say in English, I bear witness that there is no one worthy of worship but Allah. And that Muhammad is his servant and messenger.
Allahu Akbar.
So I will say it in Arabic first, then English. Okay? So repeat after me. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. I bear witness that there is no God worthy of worship except Allah. And I also bear witness that Muhammad is the messenger and slave of Allah. Allahu Akbar. Congratulations. You're a Muslim now? Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Allahu Akbar. Now I will say in English, you will repeat after me. I bear witness that there is no God worthy of worship except Allah. And I also bear witness that Muhammad is the slave and the messenger of Allah.
So I'll say in Arabic. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمد عبده ورسوله. And I'll say it in English. I bear witness there is none worthy of worship except Allah. And I bear witness that Muhammad is his final messenger and slave.
Congratulations, sister.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. I bear witness that there is none worthy of worship except Allah. And I bear witness that Muhammad is the messenger and slave of Allah. Congratulations, sister. I cannot take you.
The da'wah is not stopping. We're not going to stop. Even if you kill me, the da'wah will continue. All over the world, Muslims will stand, give da'wah towards Allah. Allah will bring people to call people towards the nur of Allah, towards the light of Allah, towards the guidance. So you can do whatever you want. You hypocrites within the ummah can burn in your jealousy. You kuffar from outside can do whatever you want. You can try any technique. You can bring people from outside the city to heckle us. You can bring people to attack us. You can try to do whatever you want. But just like Mr. Hammer Time, you're going to be gone. Your channel is going to be gone. Your da'wah is going to be gone. Ours is going to continue. I'm letting the people in Hyde Park know I'm coming. So be ready.
آمنت أن الآخرة لا بد يوما آتية كل الخلائق حاضرة كل السرائر بادية آمنت أن الآخرة لا بد يوما آتية كل الخلائق حاضرة كل السرائر بادية